How do I permanently delete hidden apps on my iPhone?
Hello and welcome to another iPhone tutorial. Today, we will learn how to permanently delete hidden apps on your iPhone. Managing your applications effectively can help you maintain a clean and smooth running device. So, let's jump into it.
What are hidden apps?
Before we proceed, it's important to understand what hidden apps are. These are the apps you have chosen to hide from your home screen or app library. However, hiding an app doesn't delete it from your iPhone. It merely removes the app icon from immediate view.
How to unhide apps?
Now let's learn how to unhide these apps before we can delete them. 1. Swipe left to access the app library on your iPhone. 2. Tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. 3. Type in the name of the app you've previously hidden. 4. Once you see the app, press and hold its icon to open a Quick Actions menu. 5. Select Add to Home Screen. This will unhide your app, making it visible and accessible again.
How to permanently delete apps?
Now that we've unhid our apps, let's move on to how to permanently delete them. 1. Find the app icon on your home screen or inside the app library. 2. Press and hold the app icon until you see a Quick Actions menu. 3. Tap on Remove App in the menu that pops up. 4. Then, a dialog box will appear asking you if you want to delete or just remove the app from home screen. Choose Delete App. 5. Finally, you'll see a confirmation box pop up, verifying that you want to delete the app and all its data. Tap Delete to permanently erase the app from your iPhone. Remember, deleting an app will also delete all its data, so ensure you have backed up any necessary information before proceeding. And that's it. We've successfully learned how to unhide and then permanently delete apps on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful and cleared up any questions you might have had about managing your apps. Remember, keeping your device clutter-free can lead to better performance and a smoother user experience. Until next time, happy iPhone use!